Have you ever thought, why is the life possible on the earth? Life is possible on the earth because of air, water, sunlight, and the soil. These are the necessary elements for the life. So, why is the soil necessary? Soil is necessary element for the life as all the plants grow on the soil. We know plants are the primary source of food for all of us. Soil also is the home for many insects and small animals like the rabbit, which makes burrow, or the snake, which lives in holes. Some houses, like the kacha houses, are also made up of mud or the soil. Apart from this, we get many minerals from the soil, such as calcium, magnesium, potassium, etc. But what is the soil actually? How is it formed? You surely will have this question in mind. Who can form such a huge amount of soil? Let us see it in detail. Millions of years ago, the earth was made up only of rocks. There was no soil, hence no plants and no life. Slowly, the huge rocks broke into small pieces due to action of rain, frost, heat, and the wind. This process of breakdown of huge rocks into smaller pieces is called weathering. Weathering takes place as rocks are broken down into progressively smaller pieces by the effects of weather. Slowly, tiny plants and green moss grew on the broken pieces of the rocks. When these plants died, their remains were added to rock pieces and the soil was formed. Weathering continued and the bigger trees started to grow. And slowly, the animal life began on the earth. It took millions of years for the soil to form. Soil forms the top layer of earth. The soil itself is not the same throughout. It also has a layered structure. The topmost layer of the soil is called the topsoil. It is very fertile and plants grow in it. Below the topsoil is the subsoil. It is hard with mostly small rocks. Below it is weathered rock fragments where there is little or no plant or animal life. The bottommost layer is the bedrock, which is the starting stage of the earth millions of years ago. It has only big rocks. In short, the soil is a mixture of broken rocks and minerals, living organisms, and the decaying organic matter. Let me tell you a small joke. Can you guess why did the gardener plant his money? Guess. No idea? He wanted the soil to be rich. This decaying organic matter present in the topsoil is called humus. Humus is dark, soft, and rich in nutrients. Humus layer, which is the topmost layer of the soil, is formed in millions of years. It is very useful as you can see all plants grow well in this layer of the soil.